In today's session, we're going to be discussing the entire gamut of interventional oncology applications in artificial intelligence, and we're going to be talking about segmentations, the use of novel technologies for image annotation, image guidance, but also talk about the utilization of robotics and augmented reality. And I think these topics are really exciting. They're going to excite the audience to think about new research topics and also help everybody understand how artificial intelligence applications in the future can enrich our field and make us more effective as physicians.
In today's session, there is a wide variety of MSK advanced indications, including spine and bone ablation for local tumor control, transarterial embolization, and spine electrochemotherapy. In my talk, I will focus upon multidisciplinary approaches. The management of cancer metastatic patients with lesions in spine or peripheral skeleton is quite complex, and interdisciplinary discussions between interventional radiologists, medical and radiation oncologists, and orthopedic surgeons is mandatory in order to be able to offer a patient-tailored, or even better, a lesion or tumor-tailored approach.
In my lecture, I will cover the indications for radiofrequency ablation or other thermal ablation procedures in neuroendocrine liver metastases. I will also focus on the current evidence, and I will focus on the results of our approach, the stereotactic approach, the stereotactic radiofrequency ablation of neuroendocrine liver metastases.
In today's session, we will cover a lot of interesting topics about liver. I'm looking forward to the first results from the CERT registry results of France, and also from the CIMA trial, which is also sponsored by CIRSE, about ablation in colorectal metastases.
In today's video learning session, I'm going to be talking about percutaneous IRE of the pancreas and how I do this procedure. We're going to start with a patient with stage 3 locally advanced pancreatic cancer who is not a surgical candidate. So you're going to watch a whole case go through from start to finish. And once we're done with the video presentation, you would also get some pearls about how to present this technique and the technology to your multidisciplinary tumor board, which would help you start treating patients with locally advanced pancreatic cancer in your institution.